April live cattle closed moderately higher today. They spent most of the day ping-ponging between the 200-day moving average, which sits at 229.20, and the 100-day moving average, which sits up at 231.45. Fairly tight range between those two moving averages, and they are very significant support and resistance levels. So a little bit of a decision-making process here going on in the live cattle contract. And for the fact that they closed higher today, that is fairly impressive considering everything that was going on in markets outside of the live cattle. For example, corn was higher, and whenever corn, i.e. the feedstock for cattle, is higher, a lot of times that'll put a little bit of pressure on the live cattle market. That was not the case today. We also had stocks, the stock market, the equity indices, sharply lower. And a lot of times when that happens, we get concerned about what beef demand might be domestically. And that can put pressure on the live cattle market, but that was not the case today. And then finally, you had crude oil prices sharply higher. And the concern there is that if people are paying more at the pump for their gasoline needs, they might choose to spend less money at the butcher's counter. But again, that was not a negative factor for the live cattle today. So a lot of things kind of behind the scenes that allowed cattle to have a fairly impressive day, even though only moderately higher. And again, in between these two very key support and resistance points. We are, as a whole, waiting for news on a Colorado meatpacking facility that is one of the largest in the country. If that were to shut down because of workers' strikes, that would take a lot of our packing capability out, which could also mean box beef prices or beef prices at the grocery store go sharply higher. That could end up having an effect on demand. So we are watching for that. In the meantime, maybe partially because of this, cash cattle have been down about $5 this week. So that's a little bit negative, but again, live cattle being able to shrug that off a little bit here today. We did also have a very big week for beef exports. Really good at 25.4 thousand metric tons. That is a marketing year high, and it's up 87% from the previous 4-week average. Really, really good week of sales for beef. So there's a lot going on here in this live cattle market and markets as a whole. So you stay tuned and you stay safe.